Hey, check it out. This DJ Buster B. I got another piece of gear that came in today, and this one is the haze machine. I've been wanting a haze machine for years. I've always ran fog machines, but a haze machine is something I always wanted because it doesn't put a whole lot of smoke out into the air, and you can run them pretty much all night. And they can set off a smoke detector, but not as often as a fog machine because they're real thin haze that just puts in the air for your lights to have a better effect. But I have, the one that I got is the Chauvet Hurricane Haze 2D. This one has, according right here, haze output and has a blower speed, which are adjustable in standalone mode with the digital display, or you can do it with DMX. It's got a low fluid sensor, which automatically turns off the machine like when the tank gets low, and runs continuously and never stops to reheat. This one does heat up, but as they say, if it does cool down, it still blows out haze, so we're gonna test that out. It's got a nice digital display right here where you can set your DMX and some other stuff. And great for clubs, DJs, bands, and also came with the nice timer remote. Same kind of remote like this with the American DJ Fog Storm 700 and some other American DJ remotes. This one has, let me cut a flashlight on so you can see it. It has on-off timers, continuous, or manual. You can do interval, duration, and adjust the output also. So we're gonna test this thing out. I've already got some haze fluid in it. Oh, let me go through how this thing looks. I'm getting all excited. Haven't even went through it yet. On the back here you have your display and a couple buttons right here where you can adjust menu up, down, DMX in, DMX out. The jack right here for the remote, on off power switch. Also, this one also has a door, you can open it up. This your haze fluid right here, your container. It has a nice little shelf right here, or container where you can slide the remote and power cord for storage. Also, this remote does have the magnet on the back, so if you stick it on something metal, it's not going to fall off your table. And on the side over here, you have the tank right here. You can see your output, like how much fluid you have and minimum, maximum, and this tank lights up. When it's warming up, it's red. When it's ready, it's blue. On the top, you have your nice hanging yoke right here, and you can has a safety hook, so if you want to hang it for permanent install. It's got a flap right here, which you can adjust for how much haze you want to come out as far as like the angle of the haze or like the output. Also has a nice sponge right here, which can absorb any moisture or condensation buildup from the haze, because this is a water-based haze machine. You can see is a blower fan right here, blower motor. And this right here is the nozzle where the fluid comes out, the mist. And that's about it. Other side over here, you can see the blower fan right here. Well, next few clips, I'm gonna hook this thing up and test it out with, like, I got one Mystic LED and I have the small green red laser that I'm gonna plug in, see how this thing looks. Check it out, this thing is warming up now. As you can see, the tank turns red because it has like a red LED in here when it's warming up, and I'm not sure what the LEDs are doing right here on this remote, but I'll figure that out. And the back doesn't really say too much, just address 1 if you're using DMX, but it's in remote mode. And we'll see how long this thing takes to warm up. They say it takes like 3 or 4 minute warm up time, and that's about it. So next clip, I'm gonna have this thing running. What do you know, this thing warmed up in like 2 or 3 minutes. See right here, the tank turns blue when it's warmed up. And I'm just gonna try manual, see what this thing looks like. Oh yeah, you can see the haze. Not sure if you can see it on the camera though, but it is hazing in the air. It's like a small, fine mist which goes in the air right now. Too bad you can't really see it on this camera, but there's a little bit. You can see it right here. And as you can see, this thing's not that loud. This little squirrel cage kind of fan or hamster wheel motor when it's running is not that loud at all. Oh yeah, it's hazing up real fast in here. All right, I'm about to plug in. See my little green-red laser. And I got a Mystic LED right here. I'm gonna flip these things on and hit the lights. Okay. Okay, I got the haze machine on continuous right now, and it only took it about maybe not even a full 3 minutes to warm up. And have it on my living room. You can see the green red laser right here, the effects, and the Mystic LED right here. And you can still see what's everything else in the room because the fog machine puts so much fog in there that sometimes you can't even see anything in the room but barely the lights because it's such a big blast of fog and smoke. But the haze machine, I can still see everything in the room. Let me turn around over here and you can see. See, I can still see the remaining of the living room. And the beams of lights are still shining through. So it looks like this thing should work out pretty good. I'm trying to stomp on the floor because I don't have any music playing for this Mystic LED to keep flashing, but there we go. Trying to make it stay on. But as you see, it's filling this room up nicely. And so far I have a smoke detector which is in this room also. It's not going off yet. So it might be good to go. So I will be using this haze machine. I have a Christmas party to DJ in the middle of December, which is only a couple weeks away. And I will test this thing out. Now lights are back on and you can see the room is not really cloudy or, you know, smoked up like a fog machine produces. One thing I did notice about this haze machine, since it is a water-based haze machine, if you stand like real close, like right here in front of it, which is like a few inches, you might get a small, the liquid that comes out of the nozzle right here does sting if it touches you because it is warm. So that's like a little tip. You might not want to stay too close to it because you could get like a small little sting burn, but it's not bad, just like a little slight burn. Nothing major. So that's a little tip if you're going to stand close to it within like, you know, a foot or 6 inches away. Other than that, this thing is pretty neat. There's no smell. This haze fluid is no smell in the air like a fog machine. So check it out. I'll have this thing in some gigs. And so far I'm impressed with the Chauvet Hurricane Haze 2D. Practice and enjoy.